What's up, my crypto legends? In this episode, we're taking a look at Bitcoin because we are having that major corrective move. Now, your question might be, has this correction ended? Are we going to go slightly lower and then get a massive pump above $46,000 in the next coming days? Well, I will let you know in today's episode, guys. Make sure to stay tuned. Hi there, Andy here. If you're interested in daily Bitcoin TA, make sure to subscribe because I also do live streams to connect with the community. I am not a financial advisor though, so don't buy or sell anything that I say. If you do so, do your own research, guys. Let's dive in here straight into the charts. But a quick reminder, if this video does get over 1,000 likes, you are eligible for a giveaway in Bitcoin. So make sure to smash up the like button and comment down below. Now, guys, just a quick reminder for any new subscribers, because I have got a bunch of new subscribers. Just want to tell them what I see on the charts. All right, ever since we had this correction here on the 24th of February, hitting that $35,000 range, we were looking at this bearish Gartley pattern that my target is above 46,000, in between 46 and $48,000, right? So now just want to analyze here the situation here quickly. Just a quick reminder that we are also in this kind of uptrend channel. Okay, now are we going to arrive in the next coming days to this $48,000 range? Now let's jump in here straight into the 2 hourly chart, and I just want to explain you quickly what I see, because it is true that we are getting supported from this major level. Yesterday when we were making the video, it was round about this range. We were very much expecting this corrective move. And why were we expecting this corrective move? Well, we did have a big major impulse here, as you can see, on the 28th of February all the way till the 2nd of March, where we're starting to consolidate and start to see these major bearish divergence, where we're creating high highs and lower highs on the RSI. This means that the bulls are losing steam and the bears can step in. Now, the bears have stepped in. They are correcting the market, as you can see here. Now, what major levels are we looking at here? Why are we getting a reaction? Because Bitcoin is getting a reaction here. The price has stopped here for several hours round about the $41,000 area. Now let's analyze the situation, zoom in on the chart, and I will explain why we are getting this reaction here. Well, first of all, let's take a look at past support levels and resistance and consolidation range. We've got this consolidation that was created on the 5th of February all the way till the 7th of February, as you can see here. We also got supported nicely. We did get that reaction and that big bounce. This is currently where we are trading right now. We have dipped slightly below it. This is why we are getting this reaction. We also have this major big consolidation range. Okay, the center bit of this consolidation is around about that $41.5 thousand. Now, let me just have a quick look here also at the VPVR. Now, the biggest point of control, the range where the most volume has been traded in between January and today, we can see it is at the 41.8, 41.5. You know, you do have that big mountain starting from that about $41,000 area, as you can see. And the biggest spike is in between 41.2 and 42.3 approximately. As you can see, it is a major range. So this is why also you are getting that volatility, that reaction where the price is stopping at that range. Is this going to be enough for the price to continue to the upside? Well, let me tell you, Bitcoin is a very volatile asset, and we could see some slightly more moves to the downside, even though, you know, we are just finding support everywhere. We've also got this high over here that we did create on the 10th of February, and this lower high created on the 15th, 16th of February right there. If you connect a trend line here with these lower highs, you can see this resistance is actually turning to support, perfectly, as you can see on the chart. We are getting that reaction also from this trend line. So you are, adding a few things saying, right, this is a strong level. Is this worth a long opportunity? In my opinion, yes, because I am expecting also that 5th wave. I am looking at this as Elliott wave theory, okay, where we do have 5 waves. As you can see, yesterday we were talking about this, where from this local low here that we did create from this aggressive downtrend, we were starting to pump here very, very nicely, creating these waves. Now, this was the corrective wave, very much expected yesterday from this kind of consolidation and the bearish divergence looking at the RSI. On the 1 hour, 2 hourly, it doesn't matter, around that time frame. Now we are having that 4th wave. Now that 4th wave can be, all the way down to the 1st wave, and this is something that is worrying me, okay, that we can go all the way down to that 1st wave level. It is true that the very top here from the wave is around about $40,200, $300 range, this wick over here. So you could potentially see some slightly more volatility hitting that level and then having the bounce, guys. Now, this is a moment to be very, very cautious, not to use too much leverage. If you are planning to use leverage and do a trade here, you know the deal. On Bybit, you got the best bonus down below. It's up to $4,100 worth of bonus and a 30% discount fee. Okay, you get that added while you click the link in the description. This is my favorite swing trading platform. Now let's jump here back into Bitcoin. Like I said, you could see that volatility around that area. Let me just get a box, okay? Because in the next coming hours, I think this area is going to be crucial, right? Because you are hitting this major resistance that is turning into support. You will have a lot of volatility. You are hitting the top from this 1st wave, as you can see. So next coming hours are going to be crucial. I want to see that reaction. I want to see the bull stepping in, a lot of wicks to the downside, and finally getting that potential pump in the next few days. So this is something that I'm paying close attention to. Now, we've also got, guys, very interesting to see this major blue channel that I did talk about yesterday, where you are creating these higher lows. And if you get these higher lows and extend the channel, you can see, that now we've got this major resistance. So it would make sense, okay, to potentially get a bounce from this level and continue to the upside in the next coming days. So just adding a few things. We do know that that $40,000 range, okay, where we're currently at, we did wick all the way down to around about $40,800. So there has been a little bit of volatility. This volatility could continue, okay, till we see a major pump. I am hoping for these levels to hold very, very nicely. So that is my analysis today, guys. Obviously, there is always a bearish case scenario. You must protect yourself, okay? Don't put all your eggs in one basket, like as they say, okay? Don't risk the farm on this, okay? Because you could get that massive sell-off for some reason. You always need to protect yourself, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode. That is my analysis on Bitcoin today. Make sure to subscribe because I might be doing a live stream afterwards, and check out Bitcoinsensus website. The latest news and technical analysis ideas is here on the website. Totally free information. Link is down below. Thank you, guys, and I will see you in the next one.